I've always wondered about these handheld garment steamers, whether they actually work in getting rid of wrinkles in clothes. So, I bought a small, cheap one and decided to put it to the test. And it so happens that I have curtains that need ironing, but I kept putting it off because taking down all the curtains to get them ironed was a lot of work. Using a steamer would mean that I don't have to take them down. So I'm going to see how easily I can remove the wrinkles from these using a small garment steamer. And for this test, I have curtains made of this thinner material, as well as blackout curtains that are of thicker material with rubbery backing. Using the steamer is quite simple. Just pour in some water up to the max line. Insert the steam head and turn clockwise to lock in place. Turn on. In just a couple of minutes, you'll get boiling water generating good steam. Now you'll see how well this steamer performs. This is a blackout curtain that's much thicker and has double layers, the back layer being a rubbery synthetic material. So I had to steam it quite a bit longer. Overall, using a small handheld steamer did a fantastic job of removing wrinkles. I was very pleasantly surprised. Now, it couldn't remove all of the wrinkles in certain types of materials, and I think that if I were to have used an iron, I might have had better results on the blackout curtains. But boy, steaming was so easy that from now on, I'll be steaming all of my shirts instead of trying to iron them. I put 3 different links to where you can buy the steamer I have, but these all work the same way. Basically, the steamer is a mini hot pot where the steam from the boiling water is channeled out through holes in the steam head. So you can pretty much get any cheap one you can find, and it'll most likely work just fine.